Hey, who's that fat guy you like to see? BLG, it's BLG. Hey, what's happening, everybody? Swallow bug. What's happening, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gonna try something today. I know you can find like 7 million of the same video on YouTube. Well, make it 7 million and one. Welcome back to another exciting episode. As I'm with BLG, I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. There we go. Now we're on track. Yeah, we're going to make 7 millionth and first video. Poorman'S Lobster. Apparently everybody does it different than I used to. Than I do. I bake mine to get the texture. Well, everybody else has got something different. So let me show you what we got today. I got 3 pollock fillets because that's what was on sale. Right there. I usually get cod, but pollock was $2 cheaper. Big bag of pollock. I got 3 fillets there I'm going to chunk up. I got a pot, right chop, with nothing in it. Nothing. Right chop. Pot with nothing. See? Nothing. In fact, I don't even need the lid. Put the lid over there. Pot with nothing. That's going to have water and sugar and some salt in it. Right there, eventually. Look what I got. I've been to the beer run today and was at the food outlet and I got Poorman food. Look at this thing. 1-inch thick cut, baby. T-bone. Guess how much? Guess how much I paid for that? Wrong. $7. Yeah. $7. So I'm having a surf and turf we're going to try today. You've already seen me grill a steak. I'm going to grill it, same as I did in my other video. But we're going to focus on when that there pollock fish. You can do it with any fish, apparently, any kind of white flaky fish. Northern pike people do it with halibut, monkfish, cod, pollock, you know, any kind of fish like that. People do it with northern pike. So, I don't know, chain pickerel, you can do probably anything you want, basically. But we're going to give it a try. I'll see you guys when this steak is done and those fish get thawed out. See you back here in the kitchen. Just a few minutes. You look tilted just a touch. Is that? I don't think I can fix that though, can I? Yeah, I can. Dumbass. There. Now we look better. Okay, I'll see you guys in just... It's not quite there. You're not quite there. How about that? We'll see you guys back here in just a few minutes when that fish gets done. And my steak is cooked. Well, we're back. It's hot out there. I grilled the steak. Got it all done. It is over there under the foil. Now let's move on to this. Have some fun over here. Poorman's Lobster, they say. Okay. We'll try their way. I haven't. What I got here is a pan with water in it. Just water so far. And, I don't know. No specifics. Pan with some water. I'm going to put just under 1/4 cup of sugar in here. Just because I don't know how much. Because I'm putting some in. I'm going to put me some salt up in here. Something like that. You know, salt, ocean, salt, water. Get it? I guess. I don't really have much at hand here. I'm going to stir this around. Get this all stirred up in here good. I suppose. I could light the oven. Or the stove, not the oven. Let's get this stove top on. We gotta boil this bad boy. I'm gonna turn it to about 8. Should boil this. At a rolling boil slower. And try to contain it from boiling over. Okay, now I'm gonna take about maybe 1 capful of lemon juice. Just about maybe, what is that? Tablespoon? A little less than a tablespoon. Lemon juice up in the water up in here. And stir this. Okay. And that's going to come up to a boil. That's going to come up to a boil. As they say down here. Alright. Back over here. Let's flip over to here. Here we have our pollock fishes, pollock, cod, you know, like I said at the beginning, any of that kind of fish. Whatever kind of fish you got, fillets. Alright, sharpen up Mr. Knife here. Alright. So what we're going to do now, we'll take them like this. I'm just going to kind of cut them into chunks, like little baby lobster tails. Like that. Say about like that. Try not to tear them up too bad. Maybe this one in half. So there'd be 4. There'd be 4. Not after. 4. Just about something like this. About like maybe this. Half this one. About like this. Go like that. Spin them around. Get to them the easy way. Spin them around. Get over here. Do it this way. Look about here. And about here, maybe about here. Yeah, that looks good. And we'll half this bad boy up like that. Alright. Now we're just waiting for that water to boil. And we'll see you back here when that water boils, and we'll put this fish in that water. See you in a few. Okay, folks, we're back. We're back. Water's boiling. So I'm going to take some of these, pop them into boiling water. Boink. Boink. Yes. Boink. 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 Kind of careful. I don't want to tear them. You don't want to stir these either. And they'll turn into flake. If they flake apart, you're not going to get your texture out of them, I guess. What they say. We'll let these bad boys cook up here. And when they get done boiling up real good and they're done cooking, they'll float. So I'm going to guess you don't want to sit here and watch these boil till they float. I'll be back when they float like this. You know how a dead fish floats? Just like that. Kind of like that. Be right back. A few minutes. Hello. How are you? Oh, they're floating. It only took like 2 minutes. I'm letting them float just a little bit more. I just want to see if I can toughen them up a touch. I don't think that really matters. They're cooked. They're cooked. If I cook them too much, they'll probably fall apart. So I'm going to fish them out here. These top little fellers are going to get fished out. Strain them. Strain them real good. Pop them in this here bowl over here. Alright, next batch. Out we go. Get out of there. Strain them off real good. I don't think they're going to have the texture of lobster. But they should have a resemblance in flavor, I would think. From everybody else that says, oh, that's close, it's not lobster, but it'll suffice, because lobster is expensive as hell. I think I get a little bit better texture, actually, when I bake them, but because I can kind of over bake them and they don't try to flake or anything. Pop these last ones in here, last 4 getting in there. One over there, one over there, one over here. Alright, wash this real quick. You can watch that for me. I'll wash this cutting board. See, these are starting to float already. Ooh, look, fishy things. This is what it looks like when you cut up in a web with some fish. It's a spider web for frying and noodles and making and things. Let them set a little bit more. Meantime, these bad boys over here are cooling off. Cooling off. Ugh! Strain some of that extra water out of the bowl here. That works. I love this thing. You get them at the store like $4. Awesome tool. Fun. Starting to float, folks. We got floaters. Flush it again. No, flush it again. Yeah, it didn't go down. It's looking at it like this. Just floating. Not flushing me, you bastard. Almost got one rolling around. I'm getting crap on the counter, man. It drives me nuts. To keep your work area clean, people. Now I'm just smearing it all over the counter. I'll get it in a little while. It's not killing me. Well, it is driving me nuts, but it's not killing me. Not dying yet. I'm not dead yet. I think we're about ready here, folks. There they are at the top of the wadi. See them rolling around in that rolling boil? They're floating. I'm going to grab a couple. Strain them out. Strain them out nice and good, mate. Pop them in our bowl. And there's another 2 in here. Strain you guys out. Pop them in our bowl. And that's everybody. Yep, that's everybody. Cut that off, alright? Not very fancy. It's not very fancy. There you have it. Yeah, zoom in. Poorman'S Lobster, folks. Hot. Serve it up with some melted butter. If I can get a hold of a little piece, I'm gonna. Oh, that's hot. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, that's definitely not lobster. That tastes like pollock. Sweet pollock. But with some butter. Tell you what. Maybe a little bit more salt. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know. That's how they make it that I've seen everybody make it on YouTube. And so I figured this is the 7 million and once I said video of it. It's good. I'm going to have it with this here steak. It's going to be alright. So I hope you like this episode. I'm going to clean this mess up. I'm going to get out of this damn shirt because it's 9 million degrees. Hot. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this stuff up. I'm not going to melt butter right now because it's 10:27 in the morning. This is supper, folks. Butter doesn't stay melted that long. No. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the episode. Hands on with BLG. I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. I am Righty. We'll see you guys next exciting episode. By the way, picked up yet another subscriber. 39. What do you think of that, huh? The machine slowly grows, folks. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's try to hit big number. By next week, let's try to hit 40. One more. By next week. That's 7 days from now. This is Monday. That'd be great. See you guys in the next video. Bye now. Goodbye. 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 Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around